Business is an area of practice that is developed over the years, and it comes in large part with experience. There's a lot of things that we can do in business to form the business, protect the business when it's in operation, to make sure that you keep people that you have and that you rely upon when they leave, if they leave, that you're protected, that they're not going to go into competition with you, so you can preserve the asset that you have built. A good example of this was a business that is locally owned but was doing work in Iraq. This was a few years ago when things were blowing and going over there, and they had a key employee leave and start competing with them. And because we had the non-competition provision, and because he was a U.S. citizen, we were able to actually file in federal court here, obtain an injunction against him, serve it on him in Iraq, and stop him from competing with the local business. So again, proper planning on the front end is really helpful. If not, we've got to get creative on the back end, and of course we do that as well. Oftentimes you don't realize that things are a business. And let's take education. I represent Lafayette Charter Foundation. That is a big business, not as big as the Lafayette Parish School Board, but oftentimes people lose sight of the fact that those are big businesses. The school board here is the largest business we have in Lafayette Parish. Certainly healthcare is a business. We like to think of it as caring and giving, and it is. But all the traditional business aspects are applicable there. One occasion in which we had to represent a business was the St. Mary Parish Tourist Commission. Back in 2012, they were constructing a welcome center in the swamp, and unfortunately about 30 days before completion, it sank into the swamp about 4.5 feet. We did not represent them prior to that, but went down, we were able to size it up, and by looking at a business solution instead of a litigation solution, within 7 months, we were able to reach an agreement with all the parties, have a settlement, have a contract for the reconstruction, and have all the money in place. That was business, and that was a real success, and that was a very interesting project for us.